Hello and welcome to another free article release from Optiux Marketing. Today's topic is how to start a digital marketing agency from scratch, 2020 guide. 2019 is towards its end and it's truly the time of digitization. With over 3.8 billion people accessing internet regularly, digital marketing is a new wave in the advertisement world. Gone are the days when you could rely on traditional marketing channels like television, newspapers, etc. Now, the online industry has a wider audience, and leveraging such a wide market is indeed an advantageous step to increase your target audience, enhance brand visibility, grow brand awareness, and increase return on investment or ROI. Now that people should rely on digital marketing so much, undoubtedly, they will require a digital marketing agency to help them reach a wide market. And just as their own business will be beneficial and reach a wide market, it's equally advantageous to own a digital marketing agency that can cater quality services to such startups and enterprises. Do you want to learn how you can start your digital marketing agency and tap in on this billion-dollar industry? Go to www.optiux.com or click the link below.